Welcome to our project. Basically, we developed the UI of the website. Our product name is FlashLearn. So basically, this was already made in our previous stage of development. Now, in this, what we have done that for the course content like HTML, CSS, we have developed the connecting pages. For example, if I click like here, a page of CSS will be appeared where the logo is presented over here, the course name, price for the course, a basic video structure, for example, to demonstrate how it's going to be work, how it will be going to work. A demo video is provided. While if you click here, it will play. The objectives of the course are added. The instructor who is going to take the course, Mr. Ganesh P here in this case, the qualification of that person and the experience. And if you click buy course, the course will be added to cart and you will be able to learn. Now the course outline, there are many outlines we have placed here. So first, like getting started with, for example, we have added a topic of this. When we click a brief description about that topic will be arrived. Similarly, in this all the outline section, it will be going to work. And while you scroll down, there's a motivational thing. To a motivational thing written over that to motivate students to get into this course. Our specialty of this course, like premium quality, and to get notification you can provide your email address here. Our latest contents that will be uploaded to FlashLearn website. Here we provide our the address, and copyright already reserved. It's an CMAT product. If you click here, it will be redirect to the cmat.ac.in, the Sripadhi's website. Similarly, for login, if you click here, it will automatically go to the page of where you can log in and sign up in case if you need. Similarly, if you click this HTML button, it will be redirect to this page where exactly what you saw in this the CSS page. The contents are of similar type. The price, name, here the educator is another guy who we can configure as per our need. Similarly, we have the course outline, HTML content tag, HTML list and all, formatting, etc. Here also we had put an motivational speech to get into the course. Rest are of similar type. Similarly, we already discussed that we are providing a blockchain concept for generating the certificate. We have already generated some of the hash value that we will be using to generate our certificate. We had made self transaction in order to generate the hash values. Now this hash value will be used to generate the certificate, and this was generated with the help of MetaMask. And a user, if completes a course after getting login in, he will be able to get a demo certificate of kind of this, where the logo of our company, the completion, the who is going to be certified as, and the contents, the name of the course, the date, signature. And the important part that in this video is that this is the hash value generated. When you click when you complete the course, it automatically generates, because we already have a set of hash value already generated pre-order. And in order to verify the certificate, you don't have to go anywhere, just click here. There's a verify button over here, just click it. You will be redirected to a website where the transaction has been happened and this transaction is success. And the timestamp of the transaction is also can also be viewed in this page. So this is our one of the modules we covered in our project for the demo presentation. And there are some more things that to be included in our project. Basically, we have lost some of the datas which were used to sign up this module. This module is actually working with the help of Firebase, but currently we are unable to showcase in this video. So we hope so that we will be, we will make it in the next presentation. Up to the next presentation. Till now, this is one of the module covered in this session. I will be getting doubt about what after getting logged in. That is also somewhat developed, but due to this reason of not getting signed in, there's some credential issue we had, so we can't show you right now. We'll try to make it up in the next review. And thank you for being a part. Thank you for giving us a chance to present. Signing off.